What's up, guys? Check it out. So I done got a little bored and it's a beautiful day today. I think we're gonna take the vet out and see if we can do a little bit of fishing. I ain't even got to check the meth. I know I got plenty of meth in there, plenty of E85. So let's see what we do. Now I'm probably gonna meet up with my homeboy with the red Z06. We've been wanting to get after it, so we may just link up and get after it. You'll find out shortly. So today is the next day from taking the old vet out for a spin, ripping it against my buddy Z06. It was a blast, and I didn't really record much because sometimes you just want to enjoy the time that you're spending rather than always trying to get content. That's not a very smart idea if you're trying to grow a channel. But sometimes when you're trying to record everything all the time, you're not really living in the moment. So at that particular time, I really wanted to live in the moment and enjoy it, and I'm glad I did. But I think I got one race on there when I edited. We'll see. Now, one thing that happened was when I was running it is I ripped off this plastic piece. I didn't really rip it off, but it would have came all the way off. I just pulled it off. This piece right here. So how did that happen? Well, with these 305/45 17, and my car is lowered all the way on stock boats, and this is still the stock suspension. So maybe the next upgrade I need to do on the vet is coilovers, because even from a roll, this car will squat, and when it squats with this size tire, I think it's bumping up, it's ripping up against that plastic piece and it's ripping it off. My door is locked, so I can't really show you, but I will show you on this one. If you notice right here, if you can see that, somebody getting down. If you can see it right there, that's broken. I don't even know if you can see it. It's because when it squats or the tire expanding, it rubs up against it and it ends up ripping it off. I've already done that one, but I don't know. I may not put it back on, but I feel like it looks better with it on. What do y'all think? It's just, I got to put it back on. If I don't put it back on, I need to take off those. And I'm not ready to take off those. Not just yet. But anyway, so we got that ripped up. I came out here earlier and washed the old Civic. Somewhat washed it. It's still not all the way clean. Well, it's still kind of drying. Well, I did dry it off, but we got the armor all on there. Look at the old girl. Even with the paint messed up, she's still funky. Now, I don't get that many views on this channel for the Civic. So what I'm thinking about doing, and probably what I will do, is start putting the Civic content on another channel, and I'll let you know what that is, because I don't have a channel yet, but I feel like I need to put all of that stuff on one channel. I don't know, just kind of seemed like the right thing to do for the algorithm. So if you just subscribe to this channel for Civic content, the old content will be here, but any new content will be on a new channel, which I will put on the next video that I do. But for right now, let's go and wrap this up. Peace.